Hello everyone, today we are going to take a quick look at the protective housing for the new GoPro Hero 9. Of course, GoPro, when releases a new camera, it makes sure that nothing from the old camera fits to the new one because they make something better. So they switch batteries, they switch the sizes, they switch the charger, everything is different. So you need to buy more and more and more stuff. And the thing that I really do not like is that the old remote doesn't work. So they had one single thing that was working on GoPro 6, 7, 8, it was that remote that was very useful. And although the Hero 9 uses the same chip, it doesn't work with the old remotes, so it smells fishy here, but if you want GoPro, then you buy GoPro. Alright, so that's the protective housing. It comes at least with a screw included and one of their quick mounts clips with the rubber insert, which is very good as it suppresses the rattle. We have some manuals, and they use a lot of packaging for this kind of stuff, and I'm going to do something like that. And then this is like a puzzle or something, and we get the back door. And look at that, we get a skeleton back door, so that's actually very good, so I'm impressed about this. And the waterproof case itself, really nice. And it's not going to be a review because I'm not going to like dive with it to 30 meters underwater, but I'm curious of one thing, how the screen will look through that. So will it be still usable? For instance, framing yourself underwater, that should be a good thing to have, because usually when I film underwater, although personally I do not film myself underwater, but I did have some tests with doing that. It was horrible because I could not frame myself as it was wavy and the camera was moving around. So having this screen and using waterproof case could be really nice. I'm going to use the terms game changer. Anyway, so I'm going to power on the camera, if it has battery or if it starts. Alright, so it works. Nice GoPro, you are working. And I'm going to select the screen here, actual screen, and you can see something over there. It's me filming it. And now if I put it on the waterproof case, you can see this turns into some kind of rather bulky thing, as I don't know why this has a lot of foam pads around, and it's kind of very thick back door. But there's the screen, almost visible, although this part here overlaps the screen a bit, but you are still able to frame, and that's the idea of you framing yourself while filming, and it does the job. And this is really heavy now. It's kind of no more an action camera, it's like a regular waterproof camera. But if you dive and if you need it, it's a good case. And I like the skeleton door. This should protect the camera from incoming shocks, derbies, dirt, but you still have access to the screen. It's a good idea, but has limited use. Depends on what you want to film. So that's the case, works really nice. You can still see yourself part of it. And that's it. Until my next video, see you and bye bye.